Hello, welcome to It's a Wrap, where I help you achieve your finished look. So guys, I have to show you this. I went to my PO box and because I got an email saying that somebody had sent me something. So I get to the post office and the lady brings me 2 boxes and I'm like, 2 boxes? So I see this beautiful red box from Revlon and I'm like, wait a minute. So I open the box up and it's this beautiful makeup bag here with the Wonder Woman WW84 logo on it. So I opened it up. This is in there as well with Revlon, where they partnered and created all of these products. So I'm like, I know these products are not in this bag, and it's been in my post office for this long. They sent me this. The date on the box is July 2020. So this has been at my PO box for forever. This beautiful palette. Okay, we have, let me show y'all in here. So I was sent 2 of the lipsticks, I think this one, and well, I'll just show y'all that. I got the eyeshadow palette, the liquid lipstick, I got the mirror here, which is so cute. I got this in the blue, the eyeliner, this, what else did they send me? Oh, they sent me this nail polish, which, if you know me, I love nail polishes like this. So definitely gonna use that. So let me show you the lipsticks. They are so pretty. So I'm going to use this stuff in a look for my birthday. My birthday is November 21st. So this is what I'm going to use in my birthday look. Let me show you this one. Ooh, knock that one over. But the colors that they sent me are so pretty, so I can't wait to try them. So I had to come show you guys these eye products. I cannot wait to try these out for y'all, so keep an eye out for that video. It's gonna come out maybe on my birthday or like maybe a day after or so. But man, I wish I would have gotten this when I was supposed to, so I could have did a look and told y'all to go look for it. I did see online that they still have some of these products to purchase. So after y'all see my look, if y'all want to go, over there to Revlon and grab some of the stuff, knock yourself out. But yeah, I cannot wait to try this stuff. I'm gonna have to put this on my nails for my birthday. It's called Revlon Red, and it's not like a red, it's kind of like a magenta, and I love that. So I'm super excited about this stuff. Can't wait to try this. Ooh, it's all sparkly. But yeah, I wanted to make this video to show you guys the stuff that I was sent in this PR pack. I'm so excited that they sent this to me, and I'm just so hurt that I got it like months later. So but yeah, I'm going to do a look with it for my birthday, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so y'all can see that video. All right, so remember to keep God first, family second, and career third, and it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.